Okay folks, let's talk about the Coway AP-1512HH Mighty. This one is practically a classic in the purifier world. Coway's Mighty model is known for excellent CADR numbers, designed for rooms around the mid-300 square foot mark, and a 4-stage filtration system, pre-filter, deodorization filter, true HEPA, and a vital ionizer. When I check the listing, Coway's page highlights smart auto modes, an air quality indicator, quiet eco mode, and a timer, and those are exactly the features long-time owners rave about. Price fluctuates with sales. Recent promotions have pushed it into attractive sale territory, so check the product link in the description for the current price before you buy. Reviewers tend to call it reliable and cost-effective over years of use, which is why it shows up on many best of lists. +2+2. Pros: very solid filtration performance for medium rooms, low noise on eco mode, and thoughtful features like filter life indicator and energy saving eco mode. Cons: it's not the best for giant open spaces. You'll need multiples, and some users who expect app connectivity or fancy displays may find this unit pretty straightforward, which, to be fair, is also its strength. The customer ratings have held up over time, many thousands of reviews and consistent high marks for durability and real-world performance. If you want something that consistently removes pollen, dust, and common indoor irritants without fuss, the Coway Mighty is hard to beat. Final thoughts: buy it if you want quiet, proven performance and long-term reliability. I'll leave the link in the description for the live price and seller options. We share by links in description box. If you find a sale, they happen often, jump on it.